Hi everyone, this is Mary. I'm the one that's putting up some YouTube videos of a 64-year-old lady reconstructing a 1930 chicken coop out of completely reclaimed wood. It's going to be about 12.6 by 20. I've got a couple already started videos, and I'll just kind of fill folks in that haven't seen the other ones. What I've done here is I've augured all my posts except for the center ones because I didn't know exactly where they were going to go. When the chicken coop was took down, it didn't have center post so that when the walls came down, the whole thing would. So I went ahead and augured my holes. I put up a half wall of reclaimed plywood, and I've got my top plate already on the east side. And this is where the windows are going to go on this side over here. And I do have the 1930 windows. So today my project was getting my pitch so I would know where to auger the center holes. So what I done, I put the high end, which is going to be the east side where the windows are so the chickens can get the morning sun. And I put it up. I used a 2x4 in the notch to raise it up, and I kind of angled the 2x4 and put it on the ground so it would push the old original 2x4 up against the post. And when I thought I had it fairly level, I went up onto the ladder, onto that cross piece, and made sure it was level. And of course it wasn't. It looked it until I backed up and seen that it wasn't. So I raised it up a few more inches and just a little bit at a time, so up and down the ladder a few times. But now it's dead on my level. So now I just went over and I nailed it with my galvanized or my shiny penny nails, 16 gauge I believe they are, in there. And on this side over here where the notch is, because I'm a little bit longer, I've got a notch right there. To me that don't look very stable, so I'm gonna add a 2x4 on the other side. And come off, because we've got this one piece that comes across there and there's no room for a 2x4, so I'm going to go ahead and put a 2x4 on the other side of that. I don't think it'll break, but I surely don't want to have it break. So I'll go ahead. There's a few of these old trusses that will need to be added to, reconstructed a little bit. I've got plenty of old wood, the old 2x4s, because they've kind of rotted away, some of them. Like this one here. I don't know if you can see it because of the sun. You know, they've got to where they've broken in that, just totally rotted. So I will go ahead and add wood to those to make sure that we're good and sturdy. This one needs to be fixed, and that one too. It's got a big old crack in it. So I will go ahead and reinforce these when I get them put up, and some of them before I put them up because they won't reach. But I just wanted to go ahead and let you know that's my today's job. And when I get them all up, then I'll cut these posts down. and I can cut them right off at the 2x4s. So hopefully you like the video. Anybody can build anything. It just takes a longer period of time. I'm doing this 100% by myself, plus rebuilding inside of an 1890 farmhouse and feeding chickens and taking care of a lot of other things. So you take care. Have a wonderful day. Please share my video of building and watch the progress till the end. Thank you.